Hi everyone, welcome to the GPUStack Tech channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to deploy DeepSeek-V4 on a single NVIDIA H200 H20 141GB GPU environment. First, prepare the container environment. GPUStack runs in containers, so you need to prepare a container runtime in advance, such as Docker, Podman, or Kubernetes. This tutorial uses Docker as an example. Install Docker on each node and make sure the service is running properly. Step 2. Start the GPUStack server. GPUStack server does not require a GPU and can run on a regular CPU node or on a GPU node. In this tutorial, we use an 8-GPU NVIDIA H200 141GB setup as the test environment and start the GPUStack server container on this node. The key parameters are explained above. After the container starts, check the logs to confirm that the service is running properly. Step 3. Access the console and complete initialization. Open your browser. Log in with a default account. After logging in, first create a Docker type cluster. This will be used to centrally manage the GPU nodes added later. Step 4. After the cluster is created, you can add NVIDIA GPU nodes. Run the following command on the target node. This command displays the currently installed NVIDIA driver version. Make sure the driver version is 580 or later to ensure compatibility and stability with DeepSeek-V4. Next, run the following command to check whether Docker has been properly configured with the NVIDIA Container Toolkit. Please note the following 3 points. In the GPUStack console, select Add Node Worker. Then copy the system-generated join command and run it on the target node. This command essentially starts a worker container and automatically registers it with the server. After the node is added, you can check the container logs on the node. At the same time, you can also check whether the node status is ready in the GPUStack console. At this point, the GPUStack control plane has been successfully deployed, and the NVIDIA GPU node has been added to the cluster successfully. It should also be able to properly collect metrics such as device name, index, vendor information, temperature, utilization, and GPU memory usage. In the next tutorial, I'll continue with how to add an inference engine and walk through the detailed deployment process. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.